Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So there's many MJ companies out there, and they're all trying to grow in their space, no pun intended, but very few of them have actually managed to be cash flow positive. So as many of these companies are going up in smoke, one of them has managed to be profitable 2 quarters back to back, and that company is Aphria, ticker symbol APHA. So I was just listening to a interview of Erwin Simon, the CEO and chairman of Aphria, and he was talking about these other companies in this space and how a lot of them were just using press releases to help drive interest in their companies, which is obvious that we were seeing that. We were seeing stocks like Tilray, being super inflated, and then they just came crashing down. But he's saying that now, they can't rely on that anymore, and he expects that a lot of these other companies in this space will probably be out of business by a year. When I was doing my research in all these different MJ stocks, what I realized is Aphria has different excuse than what Aurora does. When Aurora talks about why their sales are down, Aurora blamed a good amount of their problems on like the black market. But Aphria blamed more of the problems on the fact that the government did not issue enough licenses to be able to sell their products. They saying that the stores that the products are sold in have just lines out the door, but there's only so very many stores in highly populated areas that even sell in this industry. So they were saying that's a big problem for them. It's not a fact of supply and demand. It's more of a problem on just being able to have enough locations to be able to sell. So with that, they managed to just look at other places. So now they got their products in 10 different countries and 4 different continents, and now they're playing that. And that's their new thing that they're focusing on, and they're hoping that eventually, they'll be getting into markets like the United States and stuff, and that Canada would also release more licenses to get their products out so they can get their product in more hands of more customers. Aphria is also invested in themselves very well. Between their facility and their greenhouses, they have the ability to house 255,000 kilos of their product. They also have a subsidiary called Broken Coast, which is the largest brand in that entire industry for selling their product, for selling any product in that industry, I should say. They also have more cash than any of their competitors. They got around like $500 million, so they got enough money to last them for quite a while. So to me personally, Aphria looks like one of the better stocks in this specific industry. I'm personally not invested into it, so I don't want to sound like I'm trying to talk something up. All these stocks in this industry are down from their highs quite a bit. But Aphria seems like it's more on track than some of the other ones like Tilray and Aurora. But I'm not invested into it. The only one that I am invested into is Kronos, and I've shared that before in the Aurora video. But yeah, I'm interested in knowing if anybody is invested into Aphria. Please let me know in the comment section. All right, everybody, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.